Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Daily English Chats, where every conversation helps you learn. I am Emma.
And I am Alex. Hello, everyone. How are you today, Emma?
I am very happy today. I had a wonderful day yesterday, very quiet and relaxed.
Oh, that sounds nice. What did you do?
Nothing special. I stayed home all day. No plans, no work, no shopping, just me, Luna, and my home.
That sounds like a dream day.
It was perfect. And you, Alex? How are you?
I am a little tired today. Yesterday was very busy in the city. Shopping, running errands, walking everywhere in the crowds. My feet hurt.
Oh no, it sounds like you need a quiet day at home.
Yes, a horizontal day. Lying completely flat on my sofa. That is exactly what I need.
And that is actually our topic today.
Really? A day at home?
Yes, today we are talking about what we do when we stay home all day.
Oh, I love this topic. Staying home is my superpower.
I know it is, Alex. But first, we have a small request.
Yes. If you like our podcast, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to Daily English Chats. And share this episode with your friends and family. It helps us so much.
We love our listeners. Okay, let's start. So, Emma, imagine a perfect day at home. You wake up in the morning. What is the first thing you do?
Well, you know I am an early bird. I wake up naturally around 6:30 a.m. And the first thing I do? I open the curtains.
Curtains? What are curtains?
Curtains are the fabric on your windows. You pull them open, and the sunlight comes in. Curtains. C-U-R-T-A-I-N-S.
Oh, I know curtains. But I never open mine early in the morning.
Alex, you need sunlight. Natural light is important. It helps you wake up, and it makes you feel good.
My phone screen is very bright, Emma. I look at it in the dark in bed for 30 minutes. That is my sunlight.
Not the same, Alex. After I open the curtains and the window for fresh air, I make a warm lemon water and coffee or hot tea. And I drink it slowly, looking at my beautiful green houseplants.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is my favorite moment. The house is quiet. The drink is hot. No rush.
No rush. What does that mean?
No rush means you don't need to be fast. You have time. You can be slow. Take your time. No rush.
No rush. I love this phrase. My whole day at home is no rush.
That is the beauty of a day at home. No schedule, no alarm. Just your own time.
Yes, that is the best feeling.
After my tea, breakfast. On a home day, I make a real breakfast. Not fast, not simple. A nice, slow breakfast. Maybe complex pancakes from scratch. I take my time and enjoy the cooking.
I like that idea. I also eat breakfast at home. But mine is simpler.
How simple?
Toast. Just toast.
Just toast? No butter? No jam?
Okay, toast with butter and coffee. Always a big home coffee.
Classic. Simple, but good. Where do you eat it?
On the sofa. With my dog Max and a blanket on my legs.
Ah, a blanket. Everyone, a blanket is a large, soft piece of fabric. You put it on your body to stay warm. On the bed or on the sofa, blanket. B-L-A-N-K-E-T.
My sofa blanket is very important to me. It is soft, it is warm, it is my best friend on a home day.
Your best friend is a blanket? What about Max?
Max is my best friend too, but the blanket never wakes me up at 6 a.m. because it is hungry.
I cannot argue with that. A good blanket is a treasure. Okay, after breakfast, I usually do some cleaning.
Cleaning? On your day at home? That is not fun, Emma.
I know it sounds boring, but a clean home makes me feel calm and peaceful.
I understand that, but cleaning is not my favorite activity.
What kind of cleaning do you do, Alex? Be honest.
Well, I wash the dishes.
Good.
Sometimes, when there are no more clean coffee cups left.
That is one way to know it is time to wash dishes. I tidy up my whole living room.
Tidy up. That means to put things in the right place, right?
Exactly. Tidy up means to make things neat and organized. Put the books on the shelf, fold the blanket, clean the coffee table.
I do that on home days. But big cleaning, like vacuuming, I do that less often.
Vacuum. Everyone, a vacuum is a machine that cleans your floor. You push it and it picks up dust and dirt. It makes a loud noise. Vacuum. V-A-C-U-U-M.
My vacuum lives in my closet. It is very lonely in there. We see each other once a month. Maybe less.
Poor vacuum. It wants to help you, Alex. A little cleaning is better than no cleaning. 15 minutes is fine. Then your home feels fresh.
Fresh home, fresh mind. Okay, I will try 15 minutes next time. After cleaning, lunchtime. This is one of my favorite parts of a home day.
Yes. When I have the whole day, I cook something nice from scratch. Last weekend, I made vegetable soup. I chopped onions, carrots, potatoes. I put them in a big pot. The whole house smelled like soup.
The smells, warm and wonderful. What about me? You know I am a terrible cook.
I know you are famous for your pasta soup disaster. So what do you eat?
Instant noodles. They are fast, hot, and delicious. 3 minutes and done.
Well, that is true. But do you add anything to them to be healthy?
Add? Like what?
An egg. You crack an egg into the boiling water, you stir a little, and now you have egg noodles. Much better. More filling.
Mind blown. You can add an egg to instant noodles? Wow, this is a life lesson, Emma, not just an English lesson.
You learn many things on this podcast. After lunch is afternoon time. This is the quiet part of a home day. What do you do in the afternoon, Alex?
First, I change into my pajamas.
Wait, you were not already in pajamas?
Well, I was, but I change into my other pajamas, my afternoon pajamas.
You have different pajamas for the afternoon? Everyone, pajamas are the clothes you wear at home or to sleep. Very soft, very comfortable. P-A-J-A-M-A-S.
I have morning pajamas, afternoon pajamas, and evening pajamas. Very important. So I am in my afternoon pajamas. What do? I read on my sofa with my blanket.
Oh, what do you read?
I read simple Spanish short stories. When I don't understand a word, I check my phone.
Alex, that is a very good habit. Reading in the language you are learning helps you see how sentences work.
Yes, and I am comfortable. That is the key. Comfortable body, open mind.
Comfortable body, open mind. Very wise. I also read on home days. Usually a novel or a magazine with a cup of tea.
Hot tea, a book, a quiet house. Very Emma.
Very Emma. Yes. Time goes fast when you are reading something good.
Or sleeping. Time also goes fast when you are sleeping.
Do you take a nap on home days?
A small nap. Maybe 20 minutes, maybe 2 hours. Max sleeps on my feet.
2 hours is not a small nap, Alex. Okay, and then the evening comes. The last part of our home day.
Evening is movie night. Action or comedy. I like to make it special.
Special how?
I make popcorn. I turn off the big lights. I use a small lamp. I get my blanket. And I feel like I am in a cinema, but in my living room.
A home cinema. That is a great idea. It is very cozy. Do you know this word, everyone? Cozy? C-O-Z-Y. Cozy means warm, comfortable, and nice. A cozy place makes you feel safe and happy.
Cozy. I love this word. My sofa corner is very cozy with the lamp, the blanket, and hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate makes everything better.
It really does. You hold the warm cup, you smell the chocolate, and the world is good. You don't need expensive things. Sometimes the best day is a quiet day at home.
I agree completely. Home is where you recharge. Recharge means to get your energy back. Like a phone battery. You recharge yourself on a home day.
I recharge on my sofa.
Of course you do. Now let me teach you a useful grammar phrase. This phrase is for talking about your time at home.
Yes, please. Teacher Emma is back.
The phrase is, I spend time plus verb ing. For example, I spend time reading. I spend time cooking. I spend time cleaning.
Spend time? Like spend money?
Great question. Yes, same word. Spend. You spend money at the store, and you spend time at home. Time is valuable. You choose how to use it.
That is a nice way to think about it.
More examples. I spend the morning drinking coffee. I spend the evening watching movies. Alex, you try.
I spend time lying completely flat on the sofa.
Perfect sentence.
I spend the afternoon reading Spanish stories in my afternoon pajamas.
Excellent. Very natural. Very true. Everyone listening, try this phrase. Think about your day at home. What do you spend time doing at home?
Make 3 sentences.
You can also say, I spend the whole day at home. Whole means all, complete. The whole day.
I spend the whole day at home in pajamas, happy with Max.
And that is perfectly fine. We all need those days. Okay, let's review.
Review time. Today we talked about a day at home.
In the morning, opening the curtains, drinking coffee by the window, or staying in bed with your phone. Then some cleaning. Washing dishes, tidying up. Vacuuming.
My lonely vacuum says hello. Then cooking lunch. Vegetable soup from scratch for Emma. Instant egg noodles for Alex.
In the afternoon, reading, relaxing, taking naps.
Afternoon pajamas, very important. And in the evening, watching movies, making popcorn, feeling cozy.
We also learned some useful words. Curtains, blanket, pajamas, vacuum, tidy up, cozy, and recharge.
And the grammar. Spend time plus verbing. Very useful phrase.
You remembered everything, Alex.
I spent time learning today.
See, perfect use of the phrase. Well, that is all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Daily English Chats.
Yes, thank you, everyone. It was a very cozy conversation today.
Please subscribe and give this episode a like. And share it with a friend.
And we have a question for you today.
Yes, please leave a comment below. Tell us, what do you like to do on a day at home?
Use this sentence. On a day at home, I spend time.
We would love to read your answers. Maybe you cook, maybe you read.
Or maybe you lie on the sofa like me. All answers are welcome.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone. Keep practicing.